Hello wonderful people, welcome to your channel. Today we're diving into one of the biggest mysteries of the universe, a force so enigmatic, so elusive, that it's reshaping our very understanding of the cosmos. I'm talking about dark energy. What is it? Where does it come from? And how is it influencing the fate of everything we know? Buckle up, because this journey is going to take us to the edge of the known universe and beyond. Our story begins in the early 20th century. Back then, most scientists believed that the universe was static, unchanging, and eternal. But in 1929, something incredible happened. An astronomer named Edwin Hubble made a groundbreaking discovery. He found that distant galaxies were moving away from us, and the farther they were, the faster they were receding. This led to the shocking conclusion that the universe is expanding. But in the late 1990s, two independent teams of astronomers were measuring the rate of this slowdown, and instead found something entirely unexpected. The universe wasn't just expanding, it was accelerating. This discovery threw the scientific community into a frenzy. If the universe's expansion was accelerating, something had to be pushing it apart. But what? Enter dark energy, a mysterious force that seems to be counteracting gravity, driving galaxies apart at an ever-increasing speed. But what exactly is dark energy? Well, here's where things get really interesting and a bit confusing. Scientists have proposed several theories, but the truth is we don't know for sure. One leading idea is that dark energy could be a property of space itself. This idea comes from Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity, which suggests that space has its own energy, a sort of vacuum energy that's causing the universe to expand. Another theory is that dark energy is related to something called quintessence, a dynamic energy field that changes over time. And there's even a more speculative idea that dark energy might be a sign that our understanding of gravity is incomplete, and that we need a new theory of gravity that can explain the accelerating expansion. The influence of dark energy isn't just a distant phenomenon affecting faraway galaxies, it's shaping the future of our entire universe. As dark energy continues to push galaxies apart, it's also pulling the universe into a cold, dark, and lonely future. If the expansion keeps accelerating, galaxies will eventually move so far away from each other that they'll become isolated in vast voids of space. Stars will burn out and the universe could enter a phase known as the Big Freeze, where all that remains is a dark, cold expanse of nothingness. But that's not the only scenario. Some scientists speculate that dark energy could become stronger over time, leading to a big rip, where galaxies, stars, planets, and even atoms are torn apart by the relentless expansion of space. Then there's the possibility of a big crunch, where the expansion eventually reverses, causing the universe to collapse back in on itself. Each of these outcomes is driven by dark energy, but we still don't have enough information to say which one will come true. So, what's next in our quest to understand dark energy? Right now, astronomers and physicists around the world are working tirelessly to uncover its secrets. They're using powerful telescopes to observe distant galaxies, measuring how light bends as it travels through space, and building advanced experiments to test the fundamental laws of physics. One of the most ambitious projects is the Dark Energy Survey, which has been mapping the sky for 6 years, looking for clues about this mysterious force. There's also the Euclid mission, set to launch soon, which will create a three-dimensional map of the universe with unprecedented precision, helping us to better understand how dark energy has influenced the cosmos over billions of years. Despite all these efforts, dark energy remains one of the biggest mysteries in science. It challenges our understanding of physics, cosmology, and the very nature of reality. But that's what makes it so exciting. Every discovery about dark energy pushes the boundaries of human knowledge and brings us one step closer to answering some of the most profound questions about the universe. So where does that leave us? In a universe filled with mysteries, Dark energy is perhaps the greatest of them all. It's a force that's shaping the cosmos, defining our past, present, and future. And while we might not have all the answers yet, the journey to uncover them is what makes science so thrilling. Thank you for joining me on this cosmic adventure. If you enjoyed this deep dive into dark energy, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from our channel. And as always, keep looking up. The universe is full of wonders, and who knows what we'll discover next.